I'm Lucy, Senior Technician at Cellulite Clinic London, and today we're going to be talking about laser hair removal for the face. Laser hair removal has been used on the face for many years here at Cellulite Clinic. We treat both men and women on the facial area for laser hair removal. It's fantastic for those suffering with PCOS, having thick coarse hair coming through, any hormonal type of hair, and beard hair for men as well. Generally reduces the thickness and density of the hair growth on the face very rapidly, but in terms of long-term reduction, we do have to keep repeating the sessions a little bit more often than we would do on somewhere like the body areas. That's just because it's a hormonal area and there's so many more follicles on the face than there are on many other areas of the body. To begin with, we usually start with 8 sessions of laser hair removal on most areas of the body, including the face, for both men and women. Generally, the sessions are spaced out every 4 weeks. The growth cycles on the face are very close together, so it does need treating quite continuously in quite a short succession. Once you finish the course of 8, what we do is a little review here at the clinic just to check on your progress and make sure it's all heading in the right direction. At that stage, we'll advise how many more sessions to purchase, but generally we do class the face as ongoing for both men and women. The reason for this is due to hormones. We have no control over how much hair is produced in the future on the face. The hair does not grow back thicker after doing laser hair removal. It's the absolute opposite. The hair grows back thinner and less dense. So we're killing the hair follicle. Whilst we're doing that, any hairs that are in the incorrect growth cycle at the time of the session will generally come out thinner the following session. So you'll find that the hair all over reduces in thickness and density, as well as, of course, in terms of percentage reduction, we are killing off permanently a good percentage of hair each time we do a treatment. It's absolutely worth getting laser hair removal on the face if you find that you're struggling with your hair growth. So if you have thick, coarse hair on the face, absolutely it is worth removing with laser hair removal because thicker hair responds very well and very quickly to laser. So it will massively save you time in the morning shaving, or if your female client maybe plucking the area and maybe leading to ingrown hairs and such. And for a lot of male clients on areas like the cheeks and the lower neckline, if they experience a lot of ingrown hairs, it does save you a lot of irritation, a lot of itching, a lot of soreness to the skin by doing laser on those areas. If you have thinner facial hair, so let's say that you're doing the upper lip or sideburns and maybe a thread in the area, again, really important to come in for an assessment because we'll tell you whether it's worth actually doing or not. If you're not suitable, we will not treat you. It's really important on the face that we're very specific with the areas that we treat. We do not want stimulation of hair growth, which is a possibility, unfortunately, for female clients on the facial area. So generally, most clients, unless they've got PCOS or coarse hair, let's say they're not shaving, they're just occasionally threading, then most likely you'll just be suitable for sideburns, upper lip, and if you've got thick chin hair, maybe the chin as well. But 99% of clients are suitable for the upper lip and it works fantastically well. It's a great time of year to get started with doing laser hair removal on the face. I mean, it is a treatment that you have to do every 4 weeks, so the sooner you start, the better really. So do come on down for a free consultation and we will assess the face for you and just let you know and estimate how many sessions it could take. You can have a little feel of the patch test just to get used to that, and you can also see, you know, if you are doing laser hair removal, shaving the face at the session, which is what we will do, is not harmful in any way and definitely will not make the hair thicker or stimulate it because we are killing the hair immediately after shaving it. So it's completely different to shaving at home and not doing laser hair removal as well. So it's really good to come in and just try a patch test and just see how it feels and then just get used to the sensation on the skin. It's nowhere near as painful as threading or waxing, just to let you know. Thanks for watching our video today on laser hair removal on the face for both men and women. Please subscribe and have a look at our website to book a free consultation online at www.celluliteclinic.co.uk.